Hello all, we're going to do a short demonstration today of the recent progress of the electric vehicle with the addition of a three-way switch wired into the circuit. Now our signal starts from our power supply, our battery supply, 8 modules wired in series. Here's our positive lead into our negative lead, and that is then run into our speed controller, which then travels under the seat into our three-way switch. Now the switch functions as a directional motor control. It provides a forward, neutral, and reverse drive selection. The switch works by changing the polarity of the voltage from the battery supply to the motor leads. In our forward position, we have our positive leads. Traditionally, our positive lead connected to the positive lead of the motor, our negative into the negative lead. Also, we do have a voltmeter connected where the leads are connected to the positive lead and into the negative lead to show the voltage going into the motor. So if we engage this, we'll find it. You can see we have a positive voltage going into the motor. Taking a look at the wheel and forward. Now our middle position is a neutral. And what the neutral does is breaks the circuit. So it does not allow any voltage to pass through from the battery supply to the motor. This serves as a great function for a safety device. When a rider is entering or exiting the vehicle, they won't inadvertently put the vehicle into gear. If we look in our backwards function, taking a look at the voltmeter, the leads have not been changed. Engaging the motor, you can see the the motor is taking a negative voltage polarity into it. Taking a look at All right, guys, that concludes the demonstration of our three-way switch. Thanks for watching.